Hi, it's Cold Pen. In this video, I will show you how I make walking sequence with a 3D character using CreateStudio. I learned this walking sequence within 3 days of using the animation software. I did added more characters and sound FX to make the background more lively and adapt with the background too. In the next scenes, you will hear more effects. Let's go outside and hear the sound of the busy street, the alarm of police car, the bird sings and more. Hello. That's all for now. See you on my next video. Thanks for watching.